Welcome back to our YouTube channel PMC Online Classes. Myself, Hanure Almas from Shahaji Nagar BMC English Secondary School will be teaching you a beautiful poem from my English course book of Standard 10th. The name of the poem is The Twins. Let's read the poem. In form and feature, face and limb, I grew so like my brother that folks got taking me for him, and each for one another. It puzzled all our kith and kin. It reached a fearful pitch, for one of us was born a twin. Yet not a soul knew which. Explanation. In this poem, the poet tells what difficulties or problems could be faced by identical twins in a funny way. One of the twins is the speaker of the poem, who describes how he got troubles throughout his life due to similar features or their likeness. He tells that both of them are so alike in their appearance and the way of living or behaving. Being alike may be interesting for others, but for the speaker it was not so comfortable thing. All the time they both were misunderstood by the people. All the relatives were confused about deciding who the speaker is and who another twin is. This confusion led them throughout life, and that was the height of their confusion. Next line. One day, to make the matter worse, before our names were fixed, as we were being washed by the nurse, we got completely mixed. And thus, you see, by fate's decree, or rather nurse's whim, my brother John got christened me, and I got christened him. Explanation. The matter became so worse when their naming ceremony was there, and the nurse mixed up them both, maybe by a luck, or maybe because her whim. We both got exchanged, and the name John, which I was supposed to get, was given to my brother and his to me. This was the confusion created. This fatal likeness even dodged my footsteps when at school, and I was always getting flogged. For John turned out to be a fool. I put this question fruitlessly to everyone I knew. What would you do if you were me, to prove that you were you? Explanation. The speaker further tells that their likeness chased them to school, and the speaker got punishments for his brother's naughtiness and foolishness. After all these things, the speaker was restless and asking everybody an unanswerable question about what you should have done to prove the self-identity. next lines. Our close resemblance turned the tide of my domestic life. For someone, my intended bride became my brother's wife. In fact, year after year, the same absurd mistakes went on. And when I died, the neighbors came and buried Brother John. Explanation: being twins and looking alike created serious matter. When the speaker's bride would be a wife married to his brother, being similar may be the reason for it. Throughout life, these same ridiculous and senseless mistakes went on. Even till the end of life, people had confusion that who died and whom to bury, and they buried John when the speaker died. Here, the poet exaggerates in this stanza when the speaker says that his bride got married to his brother. It would not happen with the twins in real life, because people may be confused but not immature, and the brother or sister would not do things like this. Hope you have understood this poem. Thank you once again for watching this video.